Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we are going to learn a new chapter in political science. The name of the chapter is Federalism. It is the chapter of political science. Dear students, first of all, let's know the term federalism. Federalism is a political system in which the powers are divided between the center and the state. Both state government and the central government work together, share the powers, and work out for the benefit of state as well as center. The center overall looks after the progress and prosperity of the state by taking the necessary steps and by helping the state government. Under federalism, central government has to share its powers with the regional governments. So far as federalism is concerned, the powers are divided between the center and the units of the state government as per the written constitution of India. In federalism, the units possess their own entities. They derive their powers from constitution and not from central government. This is one of the main thing which the federal system of governance is, that the state government looks the constitution. It does not take the steps of central government until and unless it looks first the constitution. So federalism works under the constitution of the state as well as the constitution of the country. In federalism, it is essential that the constitution should be in a written form. It means that we have a written form of constitution, then we look the interests, the channels, the objects, and the goals which we have to fill for the people of the state. So we take these steps with the help of central government by taking the written constitution in cognizance. For example, many countries like India, USA, Canada, Australia, Brazil, and many more countries have federal type of government. But the countries like France, England, Japan, and many more other countries have unitary system of government. Now there is a question, then what is a unitary government, unitary system? In a unitary government, there is concentration of powers in the central government. So unitary government has the central government is wholly and solely responsible in unitary government, whereas in federal government powers are divided between the center and the state. So dear students, you learned that what the federalism is. So federalism, hence we belong to a state where there is federal system. The powers of our governance are shared between the center and the state. Both work for the people of the state, both work for the progress of the nation. So when such a system prevails, in political science, it is known as federalism. So students, it is now clear. I can give you the example of this. The book has mentioned here the example of Belgium. Belgium has a community government in addition to the central and state government, whereas in India we have not such system. There is no such community government in India as the Belgium has. This is the federalism of Belgium, but there is a similarity. This was a dissimilarity. This was a different point of context between India and Belgium. We have similar feature, that is, in federalism of India and Belgium, both the countries, the central government has to share the powers with the regional governments. This is in Belgium as well as in India as well. But Belgium has a community government in addition to the central and state government. This is the difference between the federalism of Belgium and India. So dear students, it is now clear that federalism is that system in which the powers are exercised by the central government and the state government for the prosperity of the country and the state. Let's go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. This is enough for today. Thank you very much.